Good morning, everybody. Don't mind me, and don't mind this hair. I just woke up. Quite frankly, I have not even slept correctly for 2 days, and I don't know how I'm surviving, but it's by God's grace. But I wanted to give an encouraging message and some affirmations for you all this year. Positivity is the best thing that you can have because it shows that no matter what you're going through, no matter what you're dealing with, that if you always think positive thoughts, you will not even look at what you're going through as negative. I say this because this year a lot of people are trying to figure some stuff out. I know I am. And it can be kind of hard some days to get out of bed or keep on going when the going gets tough, or maybe when you've had some sleepless nights. But I want to let you know that you are never alone, and that you never have to feel alone. We are all in this thing called life together. Nobody walks alone. And another thing, I know sometimes it's a little bit hard when somebody is in need and we have something to bring to them, and we're kind of stuck in the push and pull of, do we help or do we keep going? But I want to tell you that if you can assist, if they accept it, good. If they reject it, that's also okay. But at least you made the effort. So never pass down an opportunity to help somebody, because you never know what it could do. I know sometimes it's easier said than done, and I know that we can get busy with our own lives, but I think it's important to help people who are in need. But always think positive, guys. And this is something that I want you guys to focus on for this year. Comment down below your goals, anything that's on your mind, things that you want to get rid of. Comment that down below in that comment section, and let's root for each other. Let's hype each other up. Now, I have a couple of affirmations for you. I will conquer. I will thrive. I will prosper. That's number one. Get your notepad out, by the way, if you can, because there's going to be a lot. Actually, I'm kidding. I'm probably just going to do 5. That's number one. Number 2. Positivity brings peace. Number 3. I am a star. I am the light. I am a child of God. But anyways, that's just random stuff. I'm telling you guys, when I'm telling you I have not slept, this is what happens when you do not sleep properly. So get your 8 hours of sleep, kids. But I hope this video helps you, and I hope it encourages you, and myself as well, that this year, doesn't matter what happened last year, that's in the past. We move forward and we keep on going, knowing that none of us are ever alone. I love you, and I claim all the goodness for you this year. Have a spectacular day today.